So that's it, we're leaving the plane. So it looks like everybody's nearly off the plane now. These could be the final lot. So here we go, we're into the terminal straight away. So we've landed right by the exit, the entrance to this.
Just going to check the course.
Which is pretty amazing. So we've got an hour to get something to eat, so we're just going to go the Giraffe and have some breakfast. We are absolutely starving now. Look at all these amazing restaurants there is here now as well. Crown Rivers restaurant. They all look quite good. But like I say, we're going to go the Giraffe. So we'll get the escalator up to the next floor where that is. It's by security. And I think I'll have a full English breakfast. As I say, look at all these people eating here. Very busy in Heathrow today. Quite a few people about, and the escalator that we are going up is just here in a second. W.H. Smith's there. I'll probably go there in a minute, get a drink before we board the big flight. But let's get up here. So we're up the top of the escalator, and this is now really where you come by the security. Go the Giraffe. I don't think that's going to happen. The queue is absolutely massive. Look at the London shop. It's amazing. So we'll have to go back down and see if there's anywhere downstairs where we can have anything to eat. So unfortunately the airport's absolutely packed. The queue there at the Giraffe was absolutely ridiculous. You'd have been waiting God knows how long just to get in there, and we haven't got time. People just sitting around waiting absolutely everywhere here. I don't know whether these restaurants here are any quieter. I'll have to see now as we go in. The Crown Rivers Wetherspoons. We'll see what they do and how busy it is. So there we go, we've got breakfast, a traditional breakfast. Hash browns, sausage, bacon, egg, beans and some toast. So let's tuck in like Darryl is and get it in. So we've had breakfast and we're just walking through the airport now, past all these shops, and it's amazing how busy they actually are. There is people absolutely everywhere. Busiest I've seen it for a good while. Some all top end shops, duty free. Amazing airport. Well, like I say, can't believe just how busy we actually are here today in here. Another escalator there coming down from the top floor where the security is. But look at all these shops, they're amazing. It's a big airport, a big terminal. This is Terminal 5. International departures. World duty free there. Across. Have a look at that for you. That looks amazing. And it seems to be just a little bit quieter here now. This is coming up to probably the centre and where you actually get the trains across to the other parts of the terminal. We can have a look in a minute where we've got depart from. Watches of Switzerland there. Dior. So we've got all the big names, Parada. The are all here at London Heathrow Terminal 5. Look at the colour of that shop inside, it's amazing. Hermes. Another amazing shop. Look at the window display. And there's the flight departure board. Cartier. So, like I say, Gucci coming up as well. All the major top-end shops are all along here. Not many people in that one. It's absolutely dead. All different sorts of people, airline pilots there. As we come to the top end here of Heathrow Airport. So we've walked one end to the other. Got the Rolex shop there. Again, quiet in there. Again, at the prices they sell the stuff at, they don't have to sell much to make a big profit. WH Smith's, they've got some places in here.
For my sins.
There's another restaurant here where everybody's chilling and eating. We're just on top of the end by the A18 gate now here, and looking through the window, the weather does look absolutely terrible. Very cloudy, overcast and wet. It is nice and quiet up this end of the airport. Let's start walking down to the bottom end again. Look at this shop, look at the window display in here. Beautiful.
That's where I went to.
Yeah. Fortiman Mason shop, that is. Like I say, the display in there is beautiful in there. But again, very quiet. And they've got another window like this there. And then in the centre, the same shop's got like a bar. Another shop selling just bags. Shops are very, very quiet. Don't know why, because there is a lot of people here in Heathrow Airport. Let's look at all these bags there is for sale. It's amazing. So let's have a look down here, and we'll probably have a look now where our plane is going from, and if it's give us a gate yet, and then we'll probably have to start making his way across there to where it departs. So it's either going to be the B gates or the C gates, and both of them you do have to get a train across to the gate. And there's the board. So we're just waiting now. It says it goes departing B gates, but it doesn't actually give us a gate number. So we're just going to wait here probably 10 minutes now. Just make sure we are definitely going from B gates. Just been given a gate, B45. So here we go. Let's go to B gates. We'll go down the escalator here, down to the bottom, and down there we'll get the train. It's absolutely pouring down with rain. So we're getting down to the bottom now, and then we'll get on the train. I don't know how long we'll have to wait for that, but should be due pretty soon. In fact, I think one's just come in. I don't know whether we'll get it. We'll see now. And yeah, we will.
Departing. Next stop, gates B32 to B48. Second stop, gates C52 to C66.
So there we are, we're off the train at the B terminal, and we'll head to the gate. Quite a few people going up here now. We've got to go up the escalator, probably as big as the one as we've just come down. So let's do it. So we're here at the B terminal. Let's go find the gate. See where we are going to go from. Shops again here, duty free and different things. We'll just cut through the duty free shop here and see what there is in here. And here's B45, which is where we're going from. Quite quiet at the moment here. There's nobody here. That is our aircraft that we're going to go to Los Angeles on today. Like I say, it's quite quiet down here at the moment, but I suppose it will get busier as more people head over here. Like I say, the weather's absolutely shocking. Look at all the water blowing there on that plane that's coming in. You've upgraded your premium economy.
And then I'll talk to you about what I think of those films. I'll give you a review each time.
Won't see Los Angeles.
No. So we're going down to the plane.
We're outside to go to sleep. Sorry, West.